Vidya nama narasya rupam adhikam prachanna guptam dhanam. Knowledge is the hidden wealth of man.
The Aditya Birla Center for Community Initiatives and Rural Development, Rajshri Cement, Kagina Jan Seva Trust. Once, Mahatma Gandhi said, India lives in the village. Even after 60 years of independence, India continues to live in the villages. In the state of Karnataka, majority of the population belong to rural area, and a large section of poor people still live in poverty, destitute and depression. Before our intervention, the condition of Malkhed, Neelahalli and Udgi villages were lacking basic infrastructure like approach road, internal road, drinking water system, and due to low rainfall, less agricultural yield. These areas were educationally, socially backward and lacked facilities in health and hygiene. There was no other source of economy to be economically self-sufficient. The joint analysis of the villages' problem led to the formation of Gramodaya Samiti, involving local communities, representatives of government bodies and Rajshri Cement management. The Gramodaya was initiated to transform its underdeveloped villages into a model village. Gramodaya covers around 13,812 population in Malkhed, Neelahalli and Udgi villages. The projects that have been undertaken by this trust: education, Aditya Birla Merit Scholarship distribution, annual rural sports and cultural meet, health and family welfare, mobile medical camps, cleft lip palate screening and surgical camps, dental awareness and treatment camp, mother and child health awareness program, immunization and pulse polio program, follow-up self-help groups, tailoring and training, rural handicraft, entrepreneurship development program, cattle vaccination camps, agricultural awareness and soil testing programs, construction of school building, classroom, library, internal road, community halls, drainage, Anganwadi center, community toilets and overhead water tank. Social reforms, village developments meet special projects, Swasthi Gram Yojana for infrastructure development, Swachh Gram Yojana for sanitation development, Jal Nirmal project for safe drinking water and infrastructure development, Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya for reduction in dropout of girl children, adult literacy centers to improve the literacy rate.
All employees of Rajshri Cement believes only in one thing, that is to build a healthy relationship with the surrounding villages.
I am happy to say that Rajshri Cements, through Kagina Jan Seva Trust and under the guidance of the Aditya Birla Center for Community Initiative, is conducting corporate social responsibility activity for the people of the surrounding villages. We have adopted 3 villages around our factory and made them as model villages and implemented special schemes.
These programs has addressed the real cry of rural poor, the rural marginalized, and results are seen under the program's heads like Personality Development Program. The infrastructure development, literacy level has increased in men and women, reduction in school dropout rate. The status of health in especially mothers has been increased. The women's self-help groups have rapidly involved in all developmental works, generated income generation opportunities. Safe drinking water. Tremendous growth in the field of agriculture as the company provided irrigation facilities by constructing a barrage cum bridge.
Rajshri Cements Adityanagar Malkhed has in coordination with the government of Karnataka and local authorities had adopted Malkhed village as a model village.
The active participation and contribution of all partners made an important example of honing public-private people collaboration for ensuring sustainability of the development program. Our projects have enhanced the standard of life and livelihood system of the local communities. These projects and programs has awakened the responsibility and boosting enthusiasm with prospects among the model village. The trust has met with the desired success.
ಜನವೇರನು